Good evening, everyone. Come on camera. I would love to see each one of you. Hi, Deepti. Hi, Adarsh. Who else is here? Jyoti is here. Where's everyone else? Come on camera. It's nice to see you all. So today is one of those days where you can ask any doubts, big, small, silly, serious ones, anything. So the format that we are following today is I'm going to run you through my courses headlines one by one. And if you have any doubt associated to that, you can ask me. Is that okay? We have around 40 courses, and today is that day where you get to clear your doubts associated to that. So let me just get started so we don't waste any more time. Feel free to ask any doubts that you have about this course. Anything about chakras. So I'm going to allow you to keep yourself, you can unmute yourself if you have. Quickly, you can raise your hand or you can even unmute and you can ask. Is that okay? About the 7 chakras, here everything and anything about our 7 chakras. What are the colors? What is the location? What is the Bija mantra? Why is it imbalanced? Why is it balanced? How to balance is what you will be learning. Anybody has any doubts associated to this course? All clear? At least give me a clear in the chat box so I know that you're able to figure it out. Yeah? Clear in the chat box? Yes. All right, done. The next one is aura healing. Aura healing is the course which is all about the layers of the aura. What is aura? How is it that the aura can be protected? How is it that the aura gets affected? How is there a aura leakage? What are the protection that we need to take with regards to our aura? All of that. So any doubts associated to aura healing, or it's all clear? Type C if it's all clear. And I'm so happy, Jyoti, you're attending it from the train, I guess. Is it? Are you traveling? Yeah? Perfect. Yes. Clear? Yes, amazing. The next is crystal healing. Ma'am, can we clean aura with chakra wand? How does your chakra wand look like? The wand, which is like the crystal? Are you talking about the crystal wand? Kiran Kaur, you can unmute yourself. Yes, yes, you can. I would say cleaning aura is to use a selenite wand, not chakra wand. Use a selenite stick or a selenite knife, and you can just cut cords around you, then cleanse your aura, and that's about it. Yeah. You can use salt water to cleanse your aura. You can use Palo Santo, Dhoop, Agarbatti. You can use sage to cleanse your aura around you. The next one is crystal healing. Here we learn about different, ma'am, can we use bubble meditation to cleanse our aura? It's not to cleanse your aura. Bubble meditation is to strengthen your aura. There's a difference. So I want you to understand, Deepti, when we're talking about cleansing the aura, it means something is not belonging to us. Like let us say we have gone to a theater, we have gone to a mall, and there's a lot of crowd. So what happens is there's a lot of mixed energy in our aura. We have got affected by people. Sometimes we have gone to places and then that energy has affected us. And that is why our aura is polluted. So then we need to cleanse it. But the golden bubble meditation is something that you do every single day so that you protect your aura, so that your aura gets strong. The moment you enter a room, people say like, oh, look at her, or look at him. Oh, look at this is that person. So you get that, when Shah Rukh Khan enters, when Amitabh Bachchan enters, what's different between them and us is their aura. Every celebrity has that aura we call. So that's about protecting your energy. So when you have the golden bubble meditation, we teach you how anything and everything that's happening outside the bubble is not going to affect you and your family. And hence you should do the golden bubble meditation. So it's different from the cleansing. Is that clear, Deepti, or any more doubts? That's clear. Anybody else has any more doubts? You can also put it in the chat box, or you can also ask me. I've allowed you to unmute yourself. The next one is about crystals. What are crystals? What are the different kinds of crystals? What are the different shapes of crystals? How do you cleanse crystals? How do you program crystals? How often you should program crystals? How to make crystal grids? How to program them? How many days? And what are the ornaments that you can wear with crystals? The differences between gemstones and crystals. Any doubts around this, or it's all clear? If it's clear, you can put clear in the chat box. So I know.
Others
Yeah.
have doubt.
Yeah. Tell me.
So I've been using the crystals on regular basis, and I feel like I should charge it in a Reiki box. So that's all I have. I have one bead left with selenite that is. So can I keep it and like will it be energized but in that regard? No?
Adarsh, can you be a little louder and a little clear? I can hear it, but it's a little low on volume.
Okay. Is it audible, ma'am, now?
Yes, better.
Ma'am, I had a selenite bracelet,
Okay,
and due to some reason it broke. So I just
okay,
have one piece of one bead of it,
okay,
and now I'm keeping my bracelets with in the Reiki box with in that same Reiki box with the selenite bead. So
okay.
is it like can I consider it as charged? Can I consider it as charged, or should I do anything extra?
It's actually not necessarily charged, it's being cleansed. So every night you need to keep it there, cleanse it, and then again wear it in the next morning. Okay?
Like I mean, I have a Go Arca we have.
Mm.
I have bought, and that also I'm putting the for every Saturday I'm cleansing it. So is that
Okay.
a good method?
Absolutely. A selenite of any shape, any size is okay. It will help.
Okay.
And it's a soft crystal, so if it breaks also, you don't have to worry. Okay?
It's like
Soft, soft
everything
crystal
is
it
disposed.
can
Only
break.
one bead I have.
Okay. That's okay. No problem, Adarsh. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And ma'am, one you I need one a suggestion to buy of a crystal bracelet for
Okay.
talking or me being more fluent at
So
my
you need
work.
to make a locket, okay, which will be very close to your throat chakra. You wear a chain which is at this length and let that locket be of this size, which is exactly touching your throat chakra all the time. The crystal which you need to get made is turquoise. It should be always over here. Yeah. So once you get that
Okay, ma'am.
made and you put it here, it will be always working on your throat chakra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And I have an like thanks for the healing that you've done, ma'am, because I got my package as 30% hike. I got a new job, ma'am.
Oh, this is huge. 30% of hike you've got, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Amazing, yeah. Really very happy for you. Amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. All
Right.
because of your healing, ma'am.
It's your decision to heal. That's very important. Yeah, very, very happy
Yes,
for you,
ma'am.
Adarsh. Keep growing, keep shining.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. And Deepti, you have a doubt? You may unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've ordered for amethyst ring. So I just wanted to know, is there like any specific hand, I mean, right hand, certain finger, how and where to wear and how do I maintain it? Like, should I remove it every day in the night? Can I, clean it? Like when I'm washing my hands, definitely the crystal will get wet. So how is it?
So
How is it to be taken
crystals
care?
are different from a gemstone. A gemstone has a lot of rules and regulation because it
Okay.
is associated to your astrological signs and planets and stuff like that, and hence it has to be stringently followed. But crystals don't have rules. The only rule
Okay.
that you do with crystals is cleanse them before the first time that you wear under three layer of cleansing. Water, sunlight, moonlight, sage, Palo Santo, or intention, Reiki, anything, and you can
Okay.
wear it on whichever finger that you like. And
Okay.
I would always suggest that any kind of jewelry, any kind of bracelets that you're wearing, remove it in the night and wear it in the next morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 So it can it get wet, ma'am? Will it be okay
That's
because
okay.
it's
That's
crystal?
okay. See, amethyst, rose quartz, and some other crystals, when exposed to extreme sunlight, the color starts fading. So,
Okay.
when you also wear it, and over a period of time, let us say after 1 or 2 years or 3 years, if you see that the color is becoming lighter, you don't have to worry. It's just that when it exposes to the sun, because of the extreme sun exposure repeatedly, it might dim the color. That's all.
Okay.
You have to be a
Okay.
little careful.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah. Okay.
Any more doubts about crystals? Anything about crystals or all clear? Yes. So the next course that we talk about is about angel healing. So who are angels? How do they look? How do we connect to them? What are the rules that we follow when we are connecting to angels? How do we call them? How do we ask questions to them? Any doubts about angels? You can feel free to ask if you have any doubts about angels. I'm happy when people don't have doubt. It means my recorded courses are so clear.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
yes,
have a doubt, ma'am.
yes, yes.
I mean, angel healing. For relationship, which can I use? Which can I call upon the angel? Which angel is not
Gabriel, Gabriel,
suitable?
Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Yes.
And for money, ma'am?
Money, use money Reiki. You are supposed to know which healing modality to use for what. Use Ashtalakshmi Reiki, use money Reiki, use personalized Lakshmi Yantra for manifesting money. Do not connect to angels. Angels are for guidance, for support, for getting the right direction, for protection, for help. All of that you can do for angels. Give me just 1 minute, Adarsh. Just 1 minute. Yes, Adarsh. So, when you are a healer with multiple modality powers, you should very smartly choose which modality to use. So, when you talk about money, use money Reiki. When you talk about any other kind of help, you connect to the angels. Okay?
Sure.
Yes.
Gabriel, you said, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Vidulika ma'am, unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, if you allow, it's a sharing,
Yes,
not
yes.
a query.
Yes, yes.
Actually, you know कि मेरा एंजल्स के साथ काफी कनेक्शन है.
हाँ.
So, and you know what is going on at my home. जो मेरा सेकंड टर्टल है, कल उसकी सर्जरी हुई है. अभी मेरे बाजू में ही वो सो रहा है बास्केट में. सो क्या हुआ कि मैं तो मानती हूँ एंजल्स, आपको पता ही है ना. अभी क्या हुआ कि वो मेरे जो टर्टल नहीं है वो भी और जो ये है वो भी दोनों मानते हैं. तो इनके टैंक के पास एक माइकल जो आपके पास से अभी लाई थी वो रखे रहते हैं. फिर मैंने छोटे वाले एक और मंगाए थे, है ना. तो कल जब मैं उसको सर्जरी के लिए लेके गई एंड मैं यहाँ अकेली हूँ, कोई मेरे साथ है नहीं अभी, तो मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी. बट मैंने आर्केंजल माइकल, आर्केंजल रफेल, आर्केंजल यूरियल तीनों को बुलाया था. आई टोल्ड देम कि जो भी उसके हाईएस्ट गुड के लिए आप कीजिए. फिर बोल दिया, परसों रात को कॉल कर लिया था और मैंने कहा अब आप यहीं रहिए जब तक वो स्टेबल ना हो जाए. तो अभी भी वो है, मैंने अभी तक भेजा नहीं है. मुझे नहीं पता करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए,
कर
बट जब
सकते
तक मैं अकेली हूँ तब तक मैं, अभी शाम को रात को हस्बैंड आ जाएंगे वापस तो मैं उनको थैंक यू बोलूंगी.
Yes.
सो हुआ क्या कि मैंने वो छोटे वाले एमेथिस्ट के एंजल मेरे पास थे, मैंने उनको वहां ले गई और जहाँ सर्जरी होनी थी तो वहां ओटी में बोला डॉक्टर को कि प्लीज इनको यहाँ रखिए बिकॉज श्री, दूसरे डॉक्टर का नाम श्री है, ये बहुत रेजोनेट करती है तो आप इनको यहाँ रखिए. उन्होंने रख लिया, बल्कि उसकी टेबल पे ही रखा उन्होंने. एंड सर्जरी बहुत अच्छी हुई. और इतना छोटा सा मेरा टर्टल है, उसके पेट में 1.5 इंच के 4 एग्स थे जिसमें से एक बर्स्ट हो गया था. बहुत क्रिटिकल कंडीशन थी, हो गया. डॉक्टर ने सर्वाइवल चांसेस बोले थे बहुत कम है क्योंकि लिवर उनके कारण डैमेज हो गया. बहुत डरी हुई थी मैं, बट थैंक्स टू एंजल, जो डॉक्टर ने बोला था 3 दिन में वो होश आएगी, कल शाम को उसको होश आ गया.
Wow, huge congratulations.
हाँ. और वो इधर उधर घूमना चालू कर दिया. अब 3 दिन तक उसको टैंक में नहीं डालना है बिकॉज ऑफ स्टिच. लेकिन वहीं पे खड़े होके जब मैंने इसको देखा, मेरी आहट पे रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही थी जबकि ये बेहोश थी. मेरी आवाज पे रिस्पॉन्ड कर रही थी, भागने जैसी लगी, तो डॉक्टर ने पकड़ के बोला बेटा तुमको पैदल घर नहीं जाना है, मम्मा लेके जाएगी. फिर मेरे को इंट्यूशन आई कि एंजल को यहीं रहने दो.
रखिए मैम, और
तो मैंने
आराम से, इसमें कोई अर्जेंट नहीं है. जब आपका मन करे यू कैन सेंड देम
तो
बैक.
मैंने डॉक्टर को वो दिया थैंक यू बोल के, सर आप इनको यहाँ रखिए. सर बोले नहीं नहीं ये श्री को रेजोनेट करती है, आपने कहा था. मैंने कहा सर श्री के अलग हैं वहां घर पे, मुझे इंट्यूशन आई है कि जो अदर पेट्स आएंगे उनके लिए इनको छोड़ दो.
Wow.
उन्होंने ऐसे जैसे प्रसाद लेते ना ऐसे लिया, और मैं आपको फोटो भेजती हूँ अभी. उन्होंने वहीं एक मशीन में एक छोटा सा स्पेस था वहां उनको रख लिया,
फिक्स कर दिया. वाह.
हाँ. आज जब मैं ये लेके गई इनको, इसको फिर से दिखाने के लिए, मैंने वहां देखा और मैं फोटो लेके आई हूँ, मैं भेजती हूँ.
गुड भी फील है ना. वेरी
यार मेरे को इतनी खुशी और इतना संतोष है ना कि जो डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि ये रिस्क है, नहीं करेंगे तो भी प्रॉब्लम है और करेंगे तो चांस है.
सुपर,
तो
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस यू एंड
इतना
योर
खुश, इतना. और डॉक्टर बोलती है, जो लेडी डॉक्टर थी मैंने बोला इनको माइकल बोलते हैं, तो बोलती है मैं तो पूरी सर्जरी में बोलती रही एंजल एंजल एंजल, श्री के एंजल, श्री के एंजल, श्री के एंजल। मैंने कहा आप उनको किसी भी नाम से बुलाओ ना, वो आपके पास आ जाएंगे और आपकी हेल्प करेंगे। सो
Wonderful, ma'am.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक
Yes.
यू।
Yes.
मैं आपको भेजती
Yes.
Hi, ma'am.
Rachna. Yes, who is this?
Reena with you, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Reena, unmute yourself. Yeah. Can I see you?
Okay.
I would love to see you. Yes, yes, Reena.
You can see me, ma'am?
Absolutely.
Ma'am, just सबसे पहले तो आत्मा नमस्ते. How are you, ma'am?
Atma namaste to you
मैं
too.
हमेशा जुड़ती रहती हूँ, नॉट हमेशा बट फ्रीक्वेंटली जुड़ती रहती हूँ आपके जूम मीटिंग में. आपका मैंने वो कोर्स भी लिया था 7 चक्रास का,
हाँ.
बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली सेकंड टाइम भी मुझे भेजा, बट मैं पता नहीं कर नहीं पा रही हूँ, उसको फॉलो ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ,
अगले
अभी भी
हफ्ते
नहीं
लाइव
कर
करेंगे
पा
हम साथ में, ठीक है? 7 चक्रा क्लास
ओके
लाइव करेंगे.
प्लीज.
कि आप मिस
और
ना.
सेकंड थिंग मैम, तो मुझे आप बताना आपको कैसे, मतलब हाउ टू कांटेक्ट यू फॉर द लाइव सेशन मैम. मेरा हो ही नहीं पा रहा है वो.
आप टीम से कनेक्ट कीजिए. यहाँ पे चरण है और कृपा है, वो आपको चेक करेंगे कि कौन से ग्रुप में आप हो, और वो लोग आपको गाइड कर देंगे.
ओके.
ठीक
एंड
है.
सेकंड थिंग मैम, आजकल मुझे बहुत सारे एंजेलिक नंबर दिख रहे हैं, 1111, 444, 333, 1313, सब सारे नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं, तो
आपने
व्हाट
किया है
शुड आई
एंजलिंग?
डू? सॉरी,
एंजलिंग सीखा है या नहीं?
नहीं सीखा है मैम.
तो ये एक मैसेज है एंजल से कि हम आपके पास हैं, हम आपको गाइड करे हैं, हम आपको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं, हम हमेशा आपके साथ हैं. बस अगर आपको पता उनसे कैसे हेल्प लेना है तो कोई फायदा नहीं. तो आपको बस एंजल हीलिंग सीखना है और समझना है कि कैसे इनसे कनेक्ट करें. अभी आपने सुना जो विदुलिका मैम ने बोला, एक नहीं
हाँ
दो,
वही.
1000 तरीके हैं जिसमें एंजल्स हमको हेल्प कर सकते हैं. दे आर डिवाइन बीइंग्स ऑफ लव एंड लाइट. तो ये जो रिपीट नंबर्स है, ये एक सिंपल सा साइन है जो यूनिवर्स हमें बता रहा है कि एंजल्स आर विद अस.
क्योंकि अभी भी आपसे बात करें तो मेरे पूरे गूज़बम्प हो रहे हैं.
वाओ. तो ये सिंपल सा साइन है कि एंजल्स आपको बोल रही हैं कि वी वांट टू गिव यू अ मैसेज. तो आपको पता है कैसे, जैसे यहाँ पे भी है एंजल्स की एनर्जी, बट आप उसको फाइन ट्यून उस फ्रीक्वेंसी में नहीं करोगे तो आपको नहीं कनेक्शन मिलेगा. तो आपको अपने आप को फाइन ट्यून करने के लिए एंजलिंग समझना है कैसे है, कैसे कनेक्ट करना है, कौन कौन से एंजल्स हैं, किस चीज में हम लोग उनकी हेल्प ले सकते हैं. तो दैट इज वेरी एसेंशियल. एंड आई वुड से, अगर आप इस एनर्जी वर्ल्ड में आए हो, वन ऑफ दोस कोर्सेज जो मैं हमेशा सबको रेकमेंड करती हूँ इज एंजल हीलिंग. उसके बाद हमें कभी ऐसे नहीं लगता कि वी आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ हेल्प. वी ऑलवेज आर सपोर्टेड एंड गाइडेड फ्रॉम द एंजल्स. ठीक है.
तो मैम आपका लाइव कोर्स है कि रिकॉर्डेड कोर्स है वो?
आप जो भी कोर्स मेरा रिकॉर्डेड लोगे, उसका जब भी लाइव सेशन होगा तो आप आ सकते हो. तो इसलिए मैंने ये फैसिलिटी रखा है कि जब मेरा मन, आपका मन करेगा कि मुझे सीखना है, तो तब मैं लाइव
हाँ.
नहीं कर पाऊंगी, लेकिन आपका जब मन करेगा आप तुरंत उसको सीख लेंगी. और जब भी लाइव होगा और ऐसी जो डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन है, यहाँ पे आप अपने सारे डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हो. मेरे बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं जो लाइव सिखाती हूँ. ये वाला कोर्स एक है जो रिकॉर्डेड विथ लाइव है.
एंजेलिक वाला.
हाँ.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू
Yes.
सो मच.
Yes. Charan or Krupa, whoever is there, please contact her. Rupa Gupta, you can unmute yourself, please.
Yeah. Hi, just I just put on my camera also.
No problem.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, hi.
Hi. Just when I joined, actually I joined that 1,000 rupees program that you posted on Instagram.
Yes.
And in the first place, I saw that okay, now this course is considered taste, and this is too less. And I wrote a very bad message for you on, I would say. But then your team, I think Krupa and the other lady, she kept saying, "Ma'am, आप नहीं repent करोगे, at least go through what she has, So I'm very motivated by the way you speak, what you deliver, what you're giving to people at a very low cost, I would say. Because today, if you want to do Angelic or any of these courses, let me tell everybody that it's very costly, and I have done it at a real good cost, I would say. I have done my Reiki Grandmaster. I have done many modules from Nishansa, aura scanning. I think you are also connected to Nishansa somehow. So
Yes.
I have done many of the courses with intuitive mastery and all that, and it's a great journey. But in Reiki, I saw you have something different. That is like a Ganesh Reiki, Hanuman Reiki, Shiva Reiki. So I had a question mark in my mind. What is different in this?
So
Yeah, yeah,
every god or goddess has certain powers, has certain
right,
energies, which
right.
we can use in our healing sessions. Example,
Okay,
Shiva Reiki has a symbol which is used for childless couples. So when you do a
okay,
regular, I'm also a Reiki grandmaster. So when we do a Reiki, it's a very generalized Reiki healing that we do, which is like for
okay,
money, for health, for relationship, for anything, we do a generalized Reiki healing. But when
okay.
we come to these Shiva Reiki, Hanuman Reiki, Ashtalakshmi Reiki, Saraswati Reiki, Ganesha Reiki,
Mm-hmm.
there are certain energies. Let's give you an example of Ganesha. He is the god of removing obstacles. So there are four
Right.
symbols in the Ganesha Reiki, and all of them have a different energy to remove that obstacles, which is such an
Okay,
amazing feeling. The same thing with
okay,
Hanuman Reiki. There is one symbol for addiction. There is one symbol for enhancing the energy. So once you get
okay.
connected, like Saraswati Reiki is very good for
Mm-hmm.
education. Ashtalakshmi is very good
Right.
for
Yeah, name-wise, I know what it would do, but my only thought was like, isn't it like Reiki is something which has come from the Usui side, like
yes,
from Japan?
yes. Reiki
So,
is nothing but healing energy, and these energies,
correct.
which we're talking about, Shiva Reiki, Hanuman Reiki, are certain
Mm-hmm.
symbol-based courses. So we directly jump into the symbols, understand the
Mm-hmm.
meaning of the symbol, and understand how we can use them in certain particular specific,
Issues, basically,
yeah,
yeah.
absolutely.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, and one more question, like ma'am asked you, like, even I am not very interested for the recording session. One-to-one jo hota hai, that's very good. So if I enroll for anything which I like, so I will be able to join some live session whenever it is happening, right?
Of course, all my
Okay.
courses are instant recorded because a person feels
Mm-hmm.
like I want to learn now. They don't have to wait for my live sessions and they start learning. And they will be getting my live sessions every other day. We have a lot of these live sessions. One is on every Sunday, which is ECH, which is Everyone Can Heal, which is a very beginner
Yeah.
friendly course. People like you,
Okay.
who's the grandmaster, this is good for practice or maybe like just to enhance some of the knowledge because
Okay.
it is like good for beginners. But then I have a lot of other courses which we keep doing the live sessions. Like last
Yeah.
month of Guru Purnima,
One more thing you had, ma'am. One is for the healers. I think, there's something like a 1 lakh kind of a thing. I don't
super,
know what.
it's called
Yeah,
Super
super healer.
Healer, which is
Yes.
purely for monetization. So I'll tell you in just about 2 minutes what the story
Yeah,
of Super
please,
Healer
please.
is.
Yes.
So I started by teaching people how they can help to heal themselves. That was my
Correct.
thing. So people should work on their own healing journey.
Right.
Then
Right.
eventually I felt like I want to teach them healing. So I started teaching them multiple modalities, which is close to 40 various modalities like Ho'oponopono, EFT, chakra
Yes,
balancing,
I've seen
and
that.
other Reikis.
Yes, ma'am.
And then people learned. There were more than 200, 300, 400 people. And they said, we have learned these. Now, where are the clients? We want to heal them. So we want
Okay.
to start earning. We want to start helping. We want to start
Correct. Yes.
guiding. So
Yes,
I
that's the
said,
blockage. Yeah.
yeah. Until then, I had made about 1.5 crore at that particular point of time.
Wow.
And I
Okay.
said that if I can do that much from zero, why can't I help the other people? At least start with 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4,
True.
5
Yes.
lakhs a month.
Yes.
And anybody who wants to start does not want to invest on Facebook ads, funnels, having a team, hiring people.
True. I've
And they,
already done that also. Yeah.
yeah, they do that and then they feel scared that, अगले महीने इसका salary देना है. Oh my God, Facebook ad को
Yeah,
पैसे.
it's an overhead cost.
Yeah,
Agreed.
there is a cost to the tools and everything attached. So I felt like let's
Correct.
start. And I felt like the biggest tool that they need to work is this. When you learn how you can convert a client into the right method,
Mm-hmm.
that's when you
Mm-hmm.
can earn. So I used to feel like, people should know multiple ways and income streams should be there for a
Okay.
healer. I want a lot of name, fame for all the healers. And that's why I brought in Super Healer, where I teach them how they empower themselves to be able to start monetizing their healing skills. So you can have like all the knowledge in the
you're
world.
going to like technically train them in terms of, like mental growth, okay, bhaiya, how you should approach, or are you going to help us in
I am
like
going to be
online?
super focused only on how a healer needs to launch themselves because a healer
Okay.
has, I want to tell you one more thing, Rupa. One of the most powerful ways
Mm-hmm.
of income that I have is called as passive income. Like, people buy my courses. So I'm traveling,
Mm-hmm.
I'm sleeping, I'm enjoying, I'm sitting, and somebody is buying
Right.
my courses. That is a very powerful thing, which I felt
Yes.
everyone should be having. So I want to teach people
Correct.
how to have a passive way of earning. I
Yeah.
want to teach
Yeah.
people how they can have active way of earning. So I know, like I'm from a lot of business coaching communities where people said that, you should make this funnel, you should make this landing page, you should do these ads. And when they invested so much money and they sat in the webinar, they didn't have any conversions. So I felt like this was
Right.
super sad, but it never happened to me. I was like super lucky in this manner that all my
Correct.
webinars, all my things were successful. I said the
Yeah.
only thing which worked for me was I was having the proper skill, the knowledge, and the communication and the knowledge of how to convert. And that is what I thought I want to
Yes.
teach healers. Because when you go to
Okay.
business coaches, they only teach these technical things, which I think I don't want to learn, or I don't want healers to learn.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense because I myself I've done DBM, Diploma in Business Management. That doesn't really work, you know. I'm earning actively, but passive earning, like you say, my dream is I'm earning even when I'm sleeping, right? That's how the business should be.
That's
So
exactly what I said should happen.
Yes.
So that's why I want healers to empower themselves with multiple sources of
Okay.
income. So I always
Right.
work on this tool, and other tools will be there.
I
Adarsh is
agree.
one of those who has worked on his journey also. So it's
Okay.
an amazing. Vidulika ma'am, who just now spoke to you about the turtle, she's also
Uh-huh.
a healer. They're all
Okay.
on their journey, and
Ma'am, doesn't it so happen that you were already having, like you gave little background of yourself, you were already known on the, you know, social media platform. You have done many shows, live shows, you said, right? Related to health. So maybe you already had that presence, right? So you had that network, is
so
my belief. I don't know. You can
so why
correct me.
can't you learn it? Learn it from someone who has a background. That's how it is. I mean, when you ask a teacher, when we go to school, don't we say, ma'am, you already know ABC? That's why she's a teacher.
Yeah,
Now,
okay.
you know ABC, and that's why you're a teacher. If you're telling someone, just because
Uh,
she knows ABC, she's a teacher. And who is a super teacher who knows the best ABC, who has the best
hmm.
communication skills? She has the ability to be able to teach another person how to learn ABC
Correct.
in
Yeah.
a correct manner.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
whatever I know, I will be teaching you. Whatever you know, you will
Okay.
be teaching someone else.
Yeah. No, I'm not doubting your teaching skills. I was saying is that, you know, you are very good at what you are doing, right? Already, like, you know,
I want
आपने
others
सीखा
to
है
be
तो
good at what
yeah.
they are doing.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So I'm taking you so much time, but just
No,
wanted
no,
to
no.
clear my
Makes
mind first.
sense. Makes sense. You can ask me another couple of questions, but I hope I
Thank you.
answered your question.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
I'm wishing you all the very best. I want you also
Thank
to
you.
make massive money on this healing journey because you're a
Thank you.
grandmaster. I want you to be like
Yes,
super
ma'am.
successful.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you. Do the same, ma'am. May you
Thank,
really do very good because you're really doing a very good work.
thank
You're
you.
very different to most of the people working online and social media. पे सबसे अलग I found you were like, you know,
Thank
सबसे
you
अलग.
so much.
I've been watching from last 1 month. You're very different. Your approach is very different.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. We'll go to the next course, which is Zebu symbols. This is all about angelic symbols, where we learn about 88 symbols. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask me, where we will just a moment. Is there any question over here? Reena is asking someone, Krupa and Charan, just help her. Yeah. Yeah. So next is Zebu symbols, which is angel symbols, which is all about how you are supposed to use the magic of symbols for healing. All right. So I would say you should integrate these symbols into your healing modalities for getting amplified healing. So what are these symbols? How do we draw them? How do we heal? How do we, which color we use, etc., etc. So if you have any doubts about symbols, feel free to ask. Color therapy, how the magic of colors can be there, what each color has a different frequency, how the each frequency can affect a particular person's healing, and what are the different ways of using color. That's what is there in color therapy. Any doubts? Basic Ho'oponopono and advanced Ho'oponopono. There are two things, basic and advanced. Both of them are way different. So if you have any doubts about Ho'oponopono, feel free to ask. If you have taken the if you have taken the course and you don't have ma'am, Zebu symbols can be used in chakras? Yes, you can. That's how you will
मैम
be.
होपन होप का कुछ आइडिया देंगे like how it works and what exactly
रीना
the
है
course
क्या
is?
ये?
Yeah, ma'am.
हो'oponopono एक हवाइन हीलिंग टेक्निक है जिसमें 4 सेंटेंसेस है. आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. सिर्फ ये 4 सेंटेंसेस से हम बहुत सारा मैजिक क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, जिसमें एक है बेसिक, एक है एडवांस्ड. जैसे ही आप बेसिक में आएंगे तो वहां का कॉन्सेप्ट समझेंगे कि इन 4 लाइनों को कैसे यूज करना है ताकि हम बाहरी दुनिया को हम हील कर सकते हैं. अपने रिलेशनशिप्स को लेके, अपने लाइफ के अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स को लेके हम यही 4 लाइनें कैसे यूज करके हील कर सकते हैं. और जो एडवांस्ड हो'oponopono है, यहाँ पे हम ये मानते हैं कि यही 4 लाइनें हम अपने लिए हील करके बाकी दुनिया को हील कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हर चीज जो हमारे लाइफ में है ये हमने अट्रैक्ट किया है। तो सिर्फ हमारे अंदर की वो एक एस्पेक्ट को रिकॉग्नाइज करके हम हील अपने आप को करेंगे तो हम बाहरी दुनिया को भी ठीक कर सकते हैं। तो ये एक बहुत ही सुंदर हीलिंग टेक्निक है जो एक छोटा सा बच्चा भी फॉलो कर सकता है। जैसे मेरे बहन का बेटा है, वो 6 साल का है। आई विल शेयर दिस वीडियो समटाइम। 6 साल का है, और जब मैं उसको बोलती हूँ कि बताओ मैं क्या काम करती हूँ, तो ऐसे बोलता है, आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू। तो दैट इज
So
समथिंग।
cute.
प्लीज टीच योर चिल्ड्रन, प्लीज लर्न योर सेल्फ, प्लीज हील योर सेल्फ, एंड प्लीज हील द वर्ल्ड अराउंड। ठीक है रीना
ठीक
मैम?
है मैम.
बस
या
और थोड़ा डाउट है उसके बारे में?
नो प्रॉब्लम मैम.
हाँ
नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर टाइम है तो यू कैन गिव मोर डिटेल
हाँ, तो
बिकॉज
detail
आई हैव.
यही है कि just by saying these lines we can clear the blockage. Just by saying these 4 lines we can increase the frequency. Just by saying these 4 lines we can help another person heal ourselves, heal things, heal a lot of things with just these 4 lines, because they are having a very high vibration, just these 4 lines. But there is a particular manner that we can use these to add more meaning, है ना? तो जब भी मैं लोगों का 1-on-1 करती हूँ और मैं समझती हूँ कि इनका किसी के साथ रिलेशनशिप में प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं एक पर्टिकुलर मैनर में ये होपोनोपोनो अपने फर्स्ट सर्कल, सेकंड सर्कल, थर्ड सर्कल, फोर्थ सर्कल में करती हूँ। तो सिर्फ एक सेशन के बाद उनका बहुत सारा लाइफ में चेंजेस आता है, क्योंकि वो इतना ज्यादा पावरफुल टेक्निक है कि आई हैव सीन पीपल in one session only raise their vibration because of removing a lot of these unwanted blockages. तो I would highly recommend रीना मैम कि आप आंखें बंद करके, ये I think 1000 रुपीज का कोर्स है जिसमें दोनों आता है, बेसिक एंड एडवांस, 100% आपको सीखना चाहिए।
ओके
ठीक
मैम.
है?
बट लाइव उसमें लाइव नहीं कराते हो ना मैम?
ऑफ कोर्स कराती हूँ, हर दूसरे दिन में
अच्छा.
कभी ना कभी लाइव होता है, बस आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है कि कब है।
ट्रू.
ठीक है? यस
बट
दीप्ति।
somehow what happened मैम, like मैं कोर्स तो लेती रहती हूँ बट somehow मेरे कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहे, या आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एबल टू डू लाइक प्रोफेशनल नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, या कंटिन्यूस यूज नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. समथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन, लाइक कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता है बीच में. आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
ये भी एक ब्लॉकेज है कि आपको हीलिंग खरीदने के, मतलब कोर्सेज खरीदने के बाद भी आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो। तो आपको
या
आप चाहे तो मैं एक अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर रख सकती हूँ आपके लिए, जो आपको याद दिलाएगा कि आपको कौन सा कोर्स कब करना है। आप अपना पूरा लिस्ट
ओके
उसको दे दीजिए, चरण को या फिर कृपा को, दोनों दे आर देयर हियर, एंड दे विल टेल यू विच
ओके
फर्स्ट वन, एंड दे विल सेट अ डेडलाइन फॉर यू, फिर विच वन इज द सेकंड वन, they'll set a deadline for you कि इतने टाइम के अंदर आपको खत्म करना है। तो आपको एक मैं टीचर हायर कर दूंगी आपको उसके लिए कोई
ओके.
पैसा नहीं देना, they will just be after your back to finish your courses.
श्योर मैम. थैंक
Okay?
यू सो मच. सो
Yes.
नाइस ऑफ यू.
Yes. Yes, Deepti, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, so I just wanted to understand which healing modality should I mainly use for working on my emotions like stress, overwhelm, and then anger.
EFT.
These are basic, these are mostly
EFT.
prevailing in my life.
EFT.
EFT and not Ho'oponopono.
Emotional freedom technique. Whatever emotions are bothering you, you need
Okay.
to get rid of them with EFT.
So directly, I have to say,
Jump into
I
EFT.
want to reduce anger. Like even though I'm feeling angry,
Yes.
I have
I
to use those
will
words.
integrate myself.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
You
Yeah.
will be. And also, Deepti, book a session with me, a one-on-one session with me. You can get in touch with the team and book a session with me. You need to figure out why are you having so many unwanted emotions, because that's definitely not something which is just overnight or you're feeling that they are there. They are there
Okay.
for a reason from your childhood. So you need to figure them, heal them. You can accelerate your healing with a session with me. Just one session you can book and I'll help you out.
Sure, ma'am. I would love to. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Then we have, after Ho'oponopono, basics of Feng Shui. A lot of healing we do for ourselves, but Feng Shui is one of those courses which is for your environment. How your room is, how your house is, how the energy is very important if you want to be aligned. So Feng Shui is one of those courses. It is a Chinese Vastu, wherein you don't have to move the window from here to there, the door from here to there, but just changing a little bit of your furniture, just bringing some colors, some elements into your house can change and shift the energy. That's what Feng Shui teaches. There are two parts in Feng Shui. One is the actual concept of Feng Shui and what you need to do. The second part is all about charms. So I've given more than 25 different charms that you can use from Feng Shui. Sometimes we find it difficult, that how do I, learn so much and how do I do it? Because you're not in that mind frame. So what you can do is use charms. Charms are nothing but those cute little things from Feng Shui, which you can put them all around your houses. Like I put bells around my main door. Every time the door opens and closes, there is the ton, 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 ton sound, which is nothing but breaking that any kind of stagnant energy. Then you get these keys which have the coins. So ultimately bringing in a lot of positivity using the Feng Shui charms is what I have taught in Feng Shui, apart from learning the Feng Shui. So that's a beautiful course. If you have any doubts around it, please feel free to ask me. If you have seen the course, got stuck somewhere. So Anu Surya says, hello, ma'am, your book is very amazing. I recommend your book to one of my patients. Thank you so much. Details about your courses. Please share the storefront link over here in the chat, please. Yeah, I want you to share the storefront link in the chat so they can have a look. Let's go to the next course, which is, any doubt if you have, feel free to ask me. Basics of theta healing. What is it? So we have alpha, beta, theta, gamma, four different brain waves that is continuously happening, which is one when you're awake, when you're sleeping, and one when you're shifting from the awake to the sleep state, or from the sleep to the awake state. So theta is one of those which are the most powerful brain waves, which can bring about a huge transformation, a reformation in your thoughts, which you want to do, the rewiring that you want to do, right? You have built habits over a period of time and now you want to rewire them. It's possible with theta brain waves. So how to connect to these theta brain waves, how do you bring about that transformation is what you will be learning in this basics of theta brain waves. Anybody has any doubt? Somebody's raised the hand. Madhavi Ramaswamy. Yes, unmute yourself, please.
Yeah. I have a question here regarding Ho'oponopono only.
Yes.
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Yes.
Thank you and I love you. Can you just expand the use of these 4 sentences, taking a situation? Then I think we'll get clarity on that.
The entire details is in the course, which I would recommend you to see, but I will definitely answer your question and give you an example. Let's take my mother. All right. I'm so sorry, my mom, that I've hurt you so many times. Sometimes I've spoken rudely to you. Sometimes I've been, not answering you the way you wanted, or I've taken certain decisions which have really hurt you. I'm really sorry, mom. I want you to forgive me from the bottom of your heart. So I definitely want you to let go of all those hurts today and forgive me, mom. Thank you so much, mom, for every little thing that you did ever since I was a small girl. I remember how you made me study, how you disciplined me, how you brought manners into me, how you gave education a lot of importance. And that is the reason I'm successful today. So I attribute a lot of share of my success to you and your upbringing. Thank you so much, mom. And I want to say this, maybe I didn't say it much today. I choose to say, I really love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. And this love comes unconditionally for you because you have been someone who is like my backbone. You have someone who have always stood by me. So today I'd like to say, I love you. I love you from all my heart. Thank you, Mama, for giving me this awesome chance to be coming into this world and showing me this beautiful light. This is how I can.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. One more example for the universe.
Yes.
For the universe.
It's the same thing. Similar way, whatever the universe has supported me, whatever universe has, I'm asking forgiveness, and that's the way how you do it.
Okay. Instead of the mother, you use the universe.
Yes.
That's all. Well, yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes. And then we have Reiki level 1, level 2 with the attunement. Level 1 is all about the practitioner level where you heal yourself, self-healing. Level 2 is where you can heal others with 3 symbols. So anybody has any doubts associated to Usui Reiki? I teach the very ancient, authentic Usui Reiki. Anybody has any doubts with regards to the 3 symbols or the level 1? Feel free to ask.
Adarsh.
Yeah. Adarsh.
Ma'am, the Seiki symbol, I read somewhere that it needs to be sandwiched between the 2 chakras and then I have to use it, otherwise it's not activated. Is that true, ma'am?
Yes, that's like a switch on button. The chokure is like a switch on button. So you can
Okay.
first use chokure and then seiheki and then seal it also. It's a sandwich
So
technique.
even if it comes to Honta session and
Sorry?
for Honta session and also have to sandwich it for Honta session
Yes,
and
yes.
then
Always you use
also have
chokure
to.
to activate any symbol first. It's a switch on button.
Okay.
Got
Okay.
it?
Thank
This is one of those modalities which authenticates and authorizes you to call yourself a healer. Science behind mantras, whatever you chant, which are those mantras? How each sound can bring about that transformation within you. How do you do the jap? Why 108? Which kind of japmanis you should use? What are the different kind of japmanis that exist? Like there is, the one with Rudraksh, then there is Kamal Gatta, then there is Tulsi Mala, then there is ebony seeds. So why there are so many the malas, and each of them are for what is what you learn in mantra chanting, and which are the different shlokas, which are the different mantras, which are the bija mantras, what are the different mantras is what you will be learning in mantra healing. Any doubts in this? Feel free to ask. Then we have successful morning routine. There's one thing which is common in every successful person, and that is a morning routine. So every person, when they wake up, there is something that they follow. And that's why if you too want to get on that journey of being successful, follow a morning routine. And that is what this course teaches you all about. Any doubts? 12 concepts of NLP. I haven't covered the entire NLP here. I've just picked up some beautiful concepts and explained them here. Any doubts about this concepts that you have? Mindfulness. Yes. Rupa, yes.
Yes, ma'am, you teach an entire NLP course or just a 12 concepts?
Just the 12 concepts.
Okay, you don't conduct the entire NLP course?
No.
The paid one, no?
I somehow feel that these 12 concepts are enough.
Okay, great. Okay, fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mindfulness. Anything that you do with a mindful attitude, you can actually absorb better. So there are two ways of how you do something. One is multitasking and one is mindfulness. So this particular course talks about when you do mindfulness and when is it important and how do you do that, right? Any doubts? Feel free to ask. Karmic blocks. Beyond putting your 100% efforts, you still can be stuck somewhere. It could be love, it could be money, it could be anything. And that's when karmic blocks comes into picture. So you need to get awareness about what are the blockages that you have in your life and how do you identify them and then how to get rid of them. So that's what this beautiful course teaches. If anybody has any doubts, feel free to ask. Mani Reiki level 1, level 2 and level 3. All three are there. Any doubts, feel free to ask. It's all about money. It's all about enhancing your energy of money. It's attracting more money, removing the blockages of money. And it's all about money, 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 money. There's nothing in Mani Reiki that you will be able to get apart from this. So if you're looking for love, if you're looking for health, go for other courses. Mani Reiki is purely money, 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 money. Yes, Sudha, unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, my question is if I'm giving money Reiki in a group, so what are the symbols should I use? For example, dollar.
And you just these two is enough to begin with.
Dollar and rupee.
Euro. Yeah, rupees you can. Yeah. These are the only two symbols which are enough. One is to remove the blockage, one is to increase the frequency.
ओके मैम कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि उसको कुछ कार्मिक ब्लॉकेज या फिर वो पास्ट लाइफ
ट्रायंगल वाला कर लो.
हाँ, तो हमें पता नहीं होता ना मैम कि हम जब ग्रुप में कर रहे हैं 50
तो जब हम ग्रुप में कर रहे हैं तो आपको पर्पस भी समझना है. अगर आप ऐसे ही जनरल ग्रुप हीलिंग कर रहे हो तो वो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड काफी है. लेकिन जब हम पर्सनली बात करेंगे किसी के साथ वन ऑन वन में और हम समझते हैं कि वो पर्टिकुलरली ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि मैं चाहे कितना भी मेहनत करूं तो मुझे इंप्रूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा, क्योंकि जनरली जब हम मनी रेखी करते हैं मैं देखती हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि नहीं मेरा रिजल्ट आ गया, बट जब बोल रहा है कि नहीं मुझे रिजल्ट नहीं आया, देन यू यूज द सिंबल 4.
Okay, okay. Means 21 days के money Reiki में I need to use only two. One is dollar and
Bas,
second symbol is
bas. So
euro.
yes,
Okay, okay. Thank you.
yes.
Ma'am, I had a question.
Yeah.
Any of this Reiki that we learn, Mani Reiki, Ganesha Reiki, can we also teach somebody or we can just learn? We are just a student of this.
Obviously, you can teach.
Okay, okay, fine. Because yeah, in a normal Reiki, you need to do the masters, then you can basically attune
Once
somebody.
Mani Reiki is all the 3 levels included. So you become a grandmaster for Mani Reiki also. And
Okay.
the other Shiva Reiki, Saraswati Reiki, by becoming, once you're a grandmaster, you are authorized to teach these other Reikis also.
Okay. So, ma'am, how much time it takes to get down to the 3 degrees of Mani Reiki? Because that is one, burning problem that most of the people have, I suppose.
So I would ideally say learning is easy because you just need to go through the videos. But then after
Right.
attunement, you need to practice those symbols, which will
Mhm.
take you a good 21 days, ideally for each symbol. So if you are
Okay.
good at combining them and doing it together, then you are allowed to do a couple of or 2 or 3 together. Like we have one symbol in level 1, 3 symbols in level 2, and 3 symbols in level 3. So you can do
Okay.
one symbol first 21 days. 3 symbols together of level 2 in 21 days, and
Okay.
3 symbols of the last 3 of the third level in 21 days. So ideally in 2 months you
Okay.
should be done.
Okay, ma'am, and like the earlier normal Reiki, the proper one, that is by Master Usoi, who has like kind of brought it to
Because
everybody's notice. Mika Usoi, right? So now this Reikis, which are like come up later on, these are like workarounds with that, or like it's come from the same source.
no, absolutely no. The founder of Mani Reiki is totally different. Her name is Stephanie Braille. She is
Okay.
she's a Reiki grandmaster, and all these
Okay.
other symbols, whichever you get, Shiva Reiki, Hanuman Reiki, or anything. I'm giving you my personal experience. In lockdown, I connected to one of these masters, and I had told them that I wanted a symbol for a particular reason, and this
Okay.
channeled that personalized, customized symbol for me for that particular person.
Wow.
And
Okay.
that's when I understood how this is happening. And that's how these people also in their deep divine meditation, even angel symbols are like that. Trail is one of those who are sitting in a meditation and this Mani Reiki symbols were downloaded. That's how you channel information also. Like when we do
Yeah, that's correct.
when we do oracle, when we do Akashic, that's all channeling information.
Yes,
That
ma'am. Yes, even I have done Akashic and light of language course,
absolutely the
so
same
yes,
way
so that happens.
somebody out there has channeled these symbols and has taught
Okay.
us. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. That's just the question that I had. Nothing
Yeah,
otherwise. But if
Mani Reiki founder is different. Then
okay.
Ziva Symbols founder is Debbie. So they're all different masters
Okay, ma'am.
have
Okay.
channeled this information.
Sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you.
And then let's go quick. There's EFT, emotional freedom technique, tapping. If you have any doubts, then level 3, we master Reiki. Anybody has master Reiki doubts? Psychic surgery or the master symbol or crystal grids. Mani Reiki master level, Mani Reiki grandmaster level. 38 backflower remedies. Any doubts with backflower remedies? What is the dosage? How do we give? How do we use? What are the benefits? At what time do we give? What are these 38 remedies? All clear?
Ma'am, Backflower, I want to enroll. So I'll speak to backend team and I want to enroll for Backflower Remedy. That's one of my deep interest.
Absolutely. It's amazing.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, no doubts in backflower remedies. Then we have various cleansing techniques, which is a very beautiful course which gives you insight into various 20-25 different techniques where you can cleanse energies. So this is extremely important for anybody who is going through different kind of negative situations in one's life, where you feel that, things are not going the way I wish them to be. So you need to not just do one method of cleansing or 2 methods of cleansing. You need to learn all of them and keep doing on a regular basis. Even each one of you who is a healer over here, who is associated to multiple people, whether to listening to their problems or solving people's problems or helping them heal, it's extremely essential that you also heal yourself and cleanse yourself. Yeah. Do we have live session for backflower? Kalpana, we have live sessions for every course. It's just that they take turns. We have 40 courses and we have a repetition once in a while. So like last month, we had a lot of Reikis. Before that, we had Mani Reiki. Before that, we had something else. So yes, we definitely have live sessions of every other course. You just have to wait and know when it is. Once you're part of those WhatsApp groups, you get info there. Then we have science behind manifestation. Yeah, you need to learn the science behind manifestation. It's not just some, ritual that you do and then you feel that this is working, not working. There is a science to it. Various manifestation techniques. Here you learn multiple techniques of how you can do manifestation. So what is manifestation? Is nothing but converting your dreams and desires and goals into reality. There is a technique how you do that. These are various methods that you learn in this course. Ashtasiddhi, Nidhi, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask. Are we supposed to cut cords after conducting a Ho'oponopono session with your client? It's good if you can do that. Anything, whatever you do, any kind of healing, you need to learn how to cut cords even over here, not just in the energetic. You need to, Gulnar, it's extremely essential so that you feel free. You're not again thinking about the same thing. Right? Okay. Then we have Ashtasiddhi, Nidhi, no doubts? All right. The planets and how they affect you. So, astrology is one of those things which I felt like is very difficult because it's very vast. You just can't finish learning. You are on and on and on and on and on and on and on with astrology. But 9 planets are easy. You just understand what are these 9 planets. You understand what are their functions. You understand what are their colors. You understand what is their gemstone. You understand how do they help us, in which aspect. And then you understand that when I connect to which planet and how do I heal that particular planet. So that's what you will be learning in this 9 planets balancing. So it's an amazing course. You must be learning it if you haven't yet. If you have learned it, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Then we have clair powers. Any other person, whoever is a healer, should have a clarity on which is your clair power, right? Or whether you're a clairvoyant, you're a claircognizant, you're a clairsentient, you're a clairaudient. What are you? And based on that, you will be able to channel information because there are people who say, ma'am, I've done Akashic records. I don't get any information. I've done tarot reading. I've not got information. I've done oracle card reading. I don't get information. I tell them, please first work on your clair powers and then you get all the information in the world, right? So that's how you develop. So this is that course which teaches you how you develop and identify your clair powers. Angel card reading, which is oracle card reading. How do you do that? How do you spread cards? How do you pick cards? How do you cleanse them? How do you everything? Choose them. Any doubts? Feel free to ask. Then we have advanced Ho'oponopono tools to become a healer. This is a part of something else. Yeah, that's about it. I think we're done. If you have any more doubts, feel free to ask. Any course that you have taken until now and you have some doubts.
Ma'am, Adarsh.
Yes, Adarsh.
Ma'am, like in that situation, I felt like drawing the Shatru Samhara symbol on my, I can say, the business owner that time, and whom I was working under. Now I want to actually bring up a connection with him again. So which symbol can I use, ma'am?
Effortless connection from angel healing, angel symbols.
Okay, I've not taken that, ma'am. So can I use something else?
Angel symbols. You
Symbols?
have
Okay.
angel symbols? You have, no? I'm sure you have. You haven't? All right. I know what you have taken from me, so I'll figure that out and I'll send it with Charan. Yeah, he'll help you. Any other thing that you have, or we are done for the day? Yes, Vidhu ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Once again, it's a sharing.
Yeah.
It's related with EFT. So EFT, मतलब one of my client, आपको पता 3-4 महीने से तबीयत के कारण मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी, वो मेरे पास आई और वो काफ़ी मतलब काइंड ऑफ डिप्रेशन में है बिकॉज बहुत अर्ली एज में पिछले साल उनके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई. ही वॉज 36 ओनली. 2 छोटे बच्चे हैं उनके पास एंड उनके हस्बैंड का पैकेज 40 lakhs था. इनको उसी जगह पे जॉब पे रखा गया 5 lakh पे. अब आप सोचिए कितना फाइनेंशियल क्रंच होगा, सब होगा. सो वो मेरी क्लाइंट तो है ही. अब मैंने जब आपका EFT किया तो फिर मैंने उनसे शुरुआत की और मुझे ये बताने में खुशी हो रही है अभी 4 ही सेशन हुए हैं और जो उसकी काउंटिंग होती है ना 1 to 10 वाली, वो तो बोली कि 10 मत पूछो, आप मुझसे तो 1 to 100 पूछो. तो मैं 100 पे हूँ, मैं 100 पे हूँ. एंड परसों उनका 4th सेशन था, कल और आज उन्होंने ब्रेक लिया है. सो आज वो थर्ड पे, मतलब परसों वो थर्ड पे आ गई थी विद इन 4 सेशन।
Wow.
एंड वो इतना रोई है ना बैठ के, मैंने कहा देखो ये इमोशनल फ्रीडम टेक्निक है, मन के अंदर मत रखो। वो बोले मैं कैसे करूं? मैंने कहा आप सोचो कि आपके पास एक ग्लास में पानी पूरा भरा हुआ है, उसमें कुछ और डालोगे तो नहीं जाएगा, उसको पहले खाली करना होगा तब कुछ और जाएगा। जब मैंने उनको ऐसे एक्सप्लेन किया और जब मैंने टैपिंग शुरू करवाई उनकी ना, परसों वो काफी हल्का फील कर रही थी। एंड मैंने कहा अब आप मुझे बताओ 1 to 10 में कहाँ? तो बोलती नहीं, मैं रिपीट करूंगी 1 to 100 में से मैं अब 3 पे हूँ। आई वॉज सो हैप्पी, आई वॉज सो हैप्पी एट
Yeah.
दैट टाइम कि
Magic.
मतलब थोड़ा शुरुआत हुआ। और मैंने उनको भी ग्रेटिट्यूड दिया कि आप मेरे पास आए, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मेरा एक बार फिर से काम शुरू होना शुरू हुआ। तो 3 महीने से मैं तबीयत 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 कर रही थी। सो थैंक यू आपको भी मैम।
Absolutely. Yes. I think we're done. We don't have any more doubts. Yes. Now I want to tell you one beautiful thing. Yes, yes. Any doubts, Deepti? That's about it. Thank you so much for coming here and asking your questions. And yes, Anupama, I will keep in mind what you're saying and I will definitely plan that. Yes, Lakshmi, unmute yourself.
मैम मैंने आपको फोटो भेज दिया।
हाँ, मैं देख लूंगी।
थैंक यू।
Lakshmi?
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yeah, I just know where to start from. I have taken your, after the lockdown, I think we were the first batch of students who did the healers program,
Yes.
kind of thing.
Yes.
Then later on got busy with job, household things, so on and so forth.
Okay.
So I do regularly listen to the recordings that we have access to.
Okay.
But to be frank, I just whatever I hear, I try it on myself and my family. So somewhere there is a crave to do something, but somewhere there is a fear also that I don't want to come to the forefront. Something to only to do with the back end work. I have a deep belief that I can do healing, but not as like you, as in a forefront, visible to the people. I don't know why that thought is there.
That's there with many people. So we have options for that, like how you can get into healing. So
So I just want to check how to go about it. What is the first step that I need to take to
what I
begin
would
with?
suggest is book a call with me. Let me understand what is the blockage and understand more in detail about what exactly are you looking for, and I'll help you out.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah,
Sure.
you can get in touch with Charan or Krupa. They're both there.
Okay.
Help you out.
Sure,
Ma'am,
sure.
Akashic, I just had a question. Akashic, how many sessions may you teach Akashic? Like we can access the records also, do the record correction also, and write down the
You have learned
messages
it
also.
already from somewhere.
Yes, yeah, ma'am, I've learned it, but still I wanted to know if it's more deep because Akashic
So
में कहते हैं बहुत
my
ज़्यादा
course in
सिखाते हैं.
Akashic is not very deep. It has the
Okay.
entire course, but I would
Okay.
highly recommend anybody. आपने कहीं से भी सीखा हो, you will never feel that you have enough knowledge. Even my course, when you do, you will feel like you need more. The simple reason is that not about the content in the Akashic records, it's the content in you, which means you need to develop your clair powers and cleanse your chakras. Unless you cleanse your chakras and develop your clair powers, you will never be able to do all of that in Akashic. So there is a way how you do that. It is not about, don't ever feel कि जो भी mentor ने आपको content दिया है वो कम
No,
है.
no. Actually, no. He, according to him, he said I'm teaching basic. What we are taught is record accessing and record correction. Both is taught. But like people say that you can really go back in the past and all that. So that is what I wanted to really know. Should I really learn that much? कि ये जो सीखा it's enough. Because with this I'm able to do the record corrections for sure.
Yeah, that's enough. Rupa, what is every mentor have their own belief and their own ways. What
Yes,
I personally feel is, what I personally do is when I talk to a person and I figure out what is the problem, I diagnose the problem, I understand the root cause, and then I go into the correction mode. Because what I feel is, जितना हम पीछे जाके खोदेंगे ना, वो खत्म कभी नहीं होगा. Because there are so many past. कभी कभी बस इस लाइफ टाइम के, like if I go 30-40 years behind, 30-40 years में so much of
Agreed.
garbage is there. Literally garbage is there.
True,
That
garbage
has to
है.
finish
I
even
agree.
this lifetime का कचरा.
I
Because
agree.
past lifetime and then past lifetime and then past lifetime, it is very complicated. So what I believe is, I understand that what is the problem, what is the root cause, what is the diagnosis. Once I have this, I have multiple ways of how I do that. I have like 40 different healing modalities which work on their healing. I use logic with magic. I just get into sessions and they are feeling better right from the first session. And I believe that
Yeah.
I think treatment and healing should be given more emphasis than going backwards so much.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
जितना आप पीछे जाओगे ना, बहुत ज्यादा कचरा है. There's so much of
बहुत
pain,
ज्यादा
so
कचरा
much
है.
of trauma, there's
True.
so much of problems that, you know,
Yeah.
we're stuck there. So I believe that come into the healing zone, you are going towards the correction super fast.
Okay, ma'am. I think that's correct. Ma'am, and I saw one of your this videos in which you were telling about the grid. One was a money grid, one was a relation grid. Will it? I mean, I don't know. I believe in you from whatever you talk, but just a question in my mind that I heal with energies. So, would I really be able to do with the help of those grids? Like in one, you saw yellow citrine and combination of pyrites, right? For the money thing, and for the relation was a rose quartz with the combination of that heart symbol that you have shown. So that is printed in my mind because once I learn something, I feel ये करना है तो वो बिल्कुल जब तक मैं करूंगी नहीं, I'll be restless because healing is something which attracts me more. Yes, ma'am.
Crystals have the energy to absorb and emit energy. So first you need
Yeah, I know that. Yes.
Yeah, so you need to learn what crystal grid you want to make, which are the associated crystals, how to cleanse them, how to program them, how to use them, how to charge them, how many days, what is the problem, all of that. Once you do that and keep that crystal grid, it definitely works. And you don't have to believe me.
Okay.
You just see the entire
No,
universe.
no.
is
See,
entirely-
how much of a knowledge is there in the world? There is a mentor who makes you believe in something, right?
Yes. So crystals are not stones. They are energies which can absorb and emit.
Ma'am, I have learned crystal healing also, but still I have never learned all that, because I learned it 35 years back. So we
Crystal
never had this.
grids
much,
are like super powerful, very good for healing when you have longer periods and you can't do it every single day. You program them for X number of days.
It's a very nice thing. I like the money grid, and there are 3 people of us who wants to do it for themselves. So I said, I'll ask you whether I should tell them also they can do it, or should I take an exchange only then tell them? Like,
Both
because I have. Yeah.
Whatever you feel like is okay. There's no rules about how you want to do it. You want to teach them, you want to give it to them, do it. You want to heal for them, do it. You have multiple sources of income.
No, yeah. No, money is one thing, which everybody wants, ma'am. And I still feel like, fine, even that person needs it. So why not share the information? But just that my mentor says that whenever you're saying something, take an exchange or take a thank you or take a
I wouldn't
testimonial.
want you to do anything for free. I want you to value your knowledge and do yourself.
Yeah.
That's what you
Yeah.
need to learn, how to do that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you. I think I asked many questions to you today. Thank you.
Absolutely. This is what the session is all about.
Yes. I think you have a lot of patience also, ma'am.
I do
And
have.
the smile on your face never goes,
Thank you so
That's
much.
the best part.
Yes. Yes, everyone. So wishing each one of you lots of happiness, celebrations. Yes. In Akashic records, check blockage of soul and solutions, soul purpose in life. How can we improve relationship? How can we improve connection with God to grow? I guess this will, I did it myself, helped me a lot. Amazing. Very good. Yeah. Bye, everyone. And see you soon in the next one of these sessions live. Yeah. Take care.